How to fix if Spotlight Search is not working on iPhone settings. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest public software update. If you are using a beta update, try switching to the public version instead. Second, go to General, scroll to the bottom, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this will only reset your settings, not your data. The last method is to restart your phone. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Now, let's check if it's working or not. As you can see, the search settings work perfectly. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.